Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to discuss about the Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 6.0 document verification mail that has been received for the batch 2. Okay, since they said batch 2 will receive on 20th August, exactly it was received on 20th August. And now let's say what it is written here. Dear learner, with reference to your selection for Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0, we wish to invite you to the document verification meeting. Please join the meeting as per the date and time slot provided in the below table. Any government provided ID, PAN, Aadhaar card, etc. and college ID can be shown. After document verification, you will be invited for inaugural event and other details will follow. So the thing is, on the date which is given here, you guys, that is the batch 2, should join on the meeting and as per the time slot, and you guys should have two things with you. Okay, any government issued ID, it can be a PAN card or it can be your Aadhaar card. Okay, and your college ID card should also be there, and it is for the document verification. Okay, and let's see the date and time. So the date is 26th August 2025 and the time. So basically there are two slots are given, guys. So slot number 1 is 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the slot number 2 is 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so you guys can join any one of the given slot as per your requirement. Okay, if you have any college or school means, you can join 3:30, or else if you are okay with this timing, then you can join in that. And the link is given, the Webex joining link, and the password is also given. Okay, now if you have any query regarding this, you can give a mail to this mail ID which is given by Infosys Springboard. So I hope all the batch 2 people have received this mail. And so yeah, that's it. If you have any query or doubts, do comment down, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.